Did you know that you can create video content inside of Canva? Yes, I said Canva, and actually add music to the background or add audio to your short form video clips. There's a quick and easy way to do this, and a lot of the music in there is actually commercially available, meaning you can go and post it on social media and not get in trouble for copyrights. Let's dive right into this tutorial so you can start adding audio to your videos. First thing you want to do is open up your Canva design. You can do this for YouTube videos, you can do this for Instagram Reels, you can do this for TikToks. It doesn't matter, but as long as you have a video in here, we can attach audio. So personally, we like to do this for our YouTube Shorts because we want to ensure that all of the content that we're repurposing there that we may have taken from TikTok or Instagram Reels is using commercially available audio or sounds so that we're not getting in trouble by YouTube standards. So you can see that we already have some audio in here, but it's as simple as expanding this timeline. We will click on the video that is going to need an audio. Let me make sure that the audio of this video is turned down. You can just mute it. And now what we're going to do is come over into the audio tab. If you don't see the audio tab in your Canva, head into apps and search for it. But what we're going to do is we can scroll through and find a sound or an audio that we absolutely love. And with this selected, you can move this over to the beginning of the video and click on it. It will be automatically brought into your design. Now, we want to make sure that this audio extends the length of the track here. This one is actually a bit too short. So what we'll do for this one in particular, let's just grab this one for demonstration. We will go over here, extend it to the beginning of the clip. And now obviously this one is way too long. So we'll bring the cursor over here. We will click on split audio and we will go ahead and just delete that one. So now we can double check and make sure that this is extending the length of this. What you can do here now is there are a couple of different options that you're going to have. Obviously, you already saw split audio. We can adjust the volume. We can do beat sync, which was really cool. If you have this across your timeline and you have a bunch of individual clips, it will make sure those clips align to the beat of the audio. You can fade it in or out. Personally, I don't think this is necessary for something like this. It might be more fun if you are editing your YouTube videos inside of Canva, but the one I really want to show you is the adjust. So let's say you don't like this part of the song. You click that adjust button and simply scroll over until you got to the part of the song or the audio that you want to use. And then we can just click on this and click done. There are a couple of other different things that you can play around with here, but this tends to be all that you're going to need. You could export this video and now it has the audio attached. One quick caveat that I want to show you here, you're going to see an area called popular music. This is going to have sounds in here that are copywritten. So a lot of these are larger artists. So just know that when you, let's remove this one. Let's say you added this one from Paramore and we would adjust it here. Let's say we align this. Yeah, this is maybe available for you to export and post. Let's go ahead. What we would do is we would download MP4. We'll select just the current page, done. You're going to see right here that you are only guaranteed certain licenses. We don't recommend using this kind of music here because when you go to upload it to YouTube, when you go to upload it to Instagram or wherever else, it's going to recognize this as an original audio. And this is where you can get into a lot of trouble. So what you're going to want to do is anytime you would maybe want to use these sounds, just upload it natively to Instagram and find that sound. And instead lean into more of the commercially available music. So that is the quickest way to add audio to your videos inside of Canva.